Authentic example 2. My second example is from UN Women Gender Stereotype in Media and Advertising Continue Limit Opportunity for Women and Men. Original context. Identify the social-linguistic phenomenon. Original, this report discussed gender equality at work. It say women still face stereotype and bias that affect promotion and leadership opportunities. Original context example 2. This report from UN Women 2023 discuss how media and advertising repeat traditional gender roles. It compares to use more inclusive communication. Sociolinguistic phenomenon example 1. The example show gender stereotype, the equal bias and stereotype describe equal treatment, showing how stereotype affect women's career. Sociolinguistic phenomenon authentic example 2. This example show how media repeats traditional gender roles through language, shaping public expectation of men and women. Why example 1 represents the topic? Women are often judged by regeneration benefits, not by their real skill. This shows how stereotype can affect career and leadership opportunities. Why example 2 represent the topic? Media and advertising repeat traditional gender roles again and again. This public assumption about men and women should do. Theory use. Support the analysis with journal and article. This analysis use Holmes. This theory see language affect social identity, culture, and power. Journal article 2. Journal article 2 at Gygax found that when masculine words are used generically, readers usually picture men, even if the words are men include everyone. Provide and detail in interpretation. Number 1. Linguistic feature words like bias and limit opportunity show the negative effect of stereotype. Number 2. Social meaning. Cultural implication. Identify power and context. Conclusion. Stereotypes are general benefit shaped and repeated through language. Holmes, Chesney, and Gygax all show the language can either reinforce or reduce stereotype. References. This is my references. Part 2. Case study. Now for part 2, series a short case study. Our first case, each company manager keeps saying everyone employed must submit his report. A good programmer should improve his coding skill. Some female employees feel excluded by this language. Answer question 1 and 2. What is gender exclusive speech? Is language that focus on the gender and leave other out, often using he or his to mean everyone. Number two, why is managed language exclusive? Is a keep using his, making male employees seem like the default group, though so the woman may feel left out. Answer question 3, 4, and 5. What effect can his cause? It can reinforce stereotype and conclusion bias at work. Number 4, what are better alternatives? Use their instead of his. For example, everyone employed must submit their report. 5 theory. Holmes explained that language reflects social identity and power. Journal article. Chesney. Forman which Moster found inclusive language reproduce stereotyping. Decision references. Summary in the manager use of his all gender norms even without bad intending, using inclusive word that like their support equality at work. Case study 2. Topic 2. Destiny. City. Case study 2 lecture explain the same idea. Lecture says language is a system of communication. Answer question 1, 2. What is linguistic destiny? Uh, it is how much information is packaged into a sentence. 2. How does this city affect understanding? High density means more ideas to process at once, like lecturer and student. Question 3 and 4. Which lecture is a denser? Lecture B, the sentence has more technical term and concept. 4. Advantage than disadvantage. Advantage affection good for academic writing show precision. Disadvantage harder for beginner, more mental effort can reduce understanding. Theory and journal. Say Halliday say academic language often has high lexical density. Both found this academic language is harder for students without background knowledge. Decision and references. Decision explain uh, that lexical density and key concept for academic. Part 2, Case Study 3. University announcement has two versions. Version A, student must submit the form by Friday. So version B, much longer with extra condition. My student find version B harder to understand. Answer question 1 and 2. What is language? It's how difficult is sentence based on grammar, vocabulary, and amount of information. Version 2, which version is more complex? Version B is more clauses and details, so it takes longer to understand. Answer question 1 and 4. Decision theory. Holiday says like the city lots informatical context word Berber and Gray. Wah ini anjing nih, berarti gue 2 kali cut nih, bangsa. Anjing, kontol. What is linguistic complexity? Aku lucu nih, anjing.